Need more time? 30 minutes to play? Pakita nyo na yung results nyo sa vlog. Dapat nasa, ano na kayo, kung tapos nyo na yung app, may bayad talaga pag nilagay mo yung app sa Play Store, sa App Store. It's never free. It's never free. It's always with cost. So if you're looking for a free way to do this, there's no free way to do this. Well, once you're talking about the App Store, the Play Store ng Google and Apple, these guys are going to charge you money. Ang Apple, mas mahal. Ang Google, mas mura. Parang one-time fee lang ata sa Google. Pero sa Apple, meron kang something like one annual. Yeah, may bayad talaga pag nag-create ng apps. Hindi yun negotiable at all. So if you're looking for a client na gusto niya libre, well, alam mo naman, hindi mo dapat kausapin yung kliyenteng ganun. Yes? Thank you very much for discovering that. Lahat sila ganyan. Lahat sila ganyan. May bayad. Sa Apple, you need to get a developer account, which doesn't mean you're a developer. It just means you have a developer account. So register ka dyan para masubmit mo yung app mo sa kanila. Yan. So this is like, I think $100 a year. Parang ganun. Can't remember na natin. Android apps, meron din developer account ito pero mura. Where's the joy? Always ba sa Apple, kailangan naka-Apple ka. I-enroll na ako sandali. Ayan, $99 a year. Yan. Yan yung sa Apple. Sa Android, mas mura dyan. Parang one time ata, $25 or something like that. Okay? But the point nga is not to buy membership sa Como. The point is to tell people, hey, I know how to create an app. So if you have the budget to pay for Como, you have the budget to pay for Neonto, ganyan, then you should talk. If you don't have the budget, then we shouldn't talk. Ganun lang naman yun, di ba? So developer.android.com, developer.apple.com. Yun. So ayun, tama ako. $25 one time ang app, ang Google Play Store, tapos ito $99 for developer program ng Apple. So dalawa yan. So let me just give that to you. Who here is still tinkering with Como? Change the background. Dito ka sa style and navigation. Tapos pwede mong palitan yung background dito. Of course, kung gusto mo ng more, meron pa naman yan. You can also load yourself, your own image if you like. Ay na app background, ito rin pwedeng palitan. Aside from yung theme, pwede mong palitan din yung background. Kasi ito, yung general layout, palitan mo. In theme. Yan. Pero ito, yung background lang papalitan mo. Instead na Ganyan, ganyan. So, ganyan lang. You can also give your own images if you have your own images. Okay? Of course, dapat nababasa. Pag pumili ka ng ganyan na hindi mababasa-basa yan, hindi mo babasa ng kliyente. Sayang lang. Okay? So, di ba? Ang ganda. By the way, na-fix ko ng events. Hindi ko pala ma-modify kasi yung account ko, hindi naman siya admin sa Virtual Careers book. Hindi siya admin. Since admin na siya, yung isang account ko, admin, nagawa ko na yung events ng Virtual Careers. Ayan. And read more. And this is it. Andiyan na yun. Entire sales letter na Christmas bundle plus a link to the Christmas bundle sa dulo. So I do the right thing. I just don't give them the information. I give them the link so they can call to action. Okay. Kita nyo, the image is small because it's phone. So maybe you should make an image na mas maliit para sa phone, hindi putol. So it's the same thing on tablet, iPad naman. Maliit pa rin, no? So dapat square ang prepare nating image para lang lumabas dito ng matino. But of course, simulation lang naman to. Baka naman lumabas ng matino pag actual. So I can put in the events here for the other events, like in Christmas party sa Monday, virtual Christmas party on Monday, 2 hours. Punta kayo sa ito, webinar. Tapos yan. O ano guys, you ready to graduate from Como? Can you show me some of your stuff? Can you show me yung gawa nyo? Where did you put it? Tag nyo ako para makita ko. Okay. Okay. Nasaan na yung magawa nyo? Dito ba? Wala dito. So far wala akong nakikita ng text. Tama ba? Or sa ano? Sa IBS group. Lagay nyo dito yung mga links to your ano. Ayan, sige. Oh, diba? Share natin sa mundo. Yay! Ay, okay, fine. Ayaw niya. Thank you, Jay. Diyan ka pala, Jay. Ayan. Ano pa? Saan pa? Hindi ako marunong. Paano ko malalaman yung mga nag-akin dito, di ba? Activity log. Si Jay pa lang. Di ba galing pag nakita? How many were you able? If you have a client, you can simply make a mock-up just like this one, katulad ng gawa ni Enteng, sa client mo, without your client asking for it. So, gusto mo siya ma-impress sa'yo, gawa ka ng mock-up. It'll take about 5 minutes to make the mock-up. It's not gonna be in the App Store. Kung gusto niya makita sa App Store, bayad siya. Okay? Saan makukuha ang link? Punta sa app na ginawa sa Como. Where's no link? There's no link. The app can't be seen outside. Yeah. Save ko. Tingnan natin kung bibigyan niya ako ng link dito sa My Apps. As far as I remember, hindi ka niya bibigyan ng share and activate app. Pero may bayad eh. Tingnan natin. Why do you need a link to the app na ginawa sa Como? Art. Because you want to load it in your phone? Hindi nga pwede, wala ka ng Play Store account eh. O, sabi na may bayad eh. Pag in-activate mo yan, meaning it's gonna be a real app that could be loaded into the store. You have to pay them. Yun. Kung gusto mo ng demo na app, yung Neon to yung gamitin nyo. Pero you need a Mac to run that. Okay? Kaya nga, ang ginagawa natin, papakita mo lang yung pictures. Also, you can run a video, right? You can, para mas matunayan mo na, okay, I really know how to make an app. It really works. Here's a video of the app. So, pwede mong i-video yung demo screen na to. I-video mo to. Ganyan. Na habang pinipindot. So, makikita niya na it works. So, you can load that video sa YouTube naman or sa Facebook. Okay? So, to do a video, you can use Jing, or in my case, since na Mac ako, I can use QuickTime to do that. And you can do it with a voiceover. Let me just sadali. Ang YouTube kasi may capture na app. Problema, yata to under sa computer. Kailangan cellphone ang gamit sa capture na app. So hindi pwedeng gamitin yan para mag-take ng video. To take a video of your screen, you just need to use QuickTime na lang. Lamang ko mo to na branding sa akin. So I'm just gonna use QuickTime for the Mac users. For Windows users, medyo kayo Jing is probably your best shot. So let me just use Jing na lang para happiness. Jing is you load it, I think. You load it, you install it, and then it can take a video of your section of your screen. You don't even need to remove yung Como. Download mo lang yung Jing. Tapos, make it record the screen. Pero alam ko, Jing has, number 1, low quality recordings. Number 2, short recordings. Hindi ko pwede mahabang magdadaldal pag nag-Jing ka. But for our purposes, pwede na to. Kaya pwede mo i-record sa cellphone, pero siyempre lalagyan mo ng mount yung cellphone mo. Lagyan mo ng cellphone mount para hindi gumagalaw. Hindi ako nagsalita. Kaya hindi nyo ko narinig, hindi naman ako sasalita Okay. So Jing is already running. All I need to do is go back to this demo thingy. Access ko yung Jing sa upper right-hand corner ng screen ko. Hindi nyo alam yun, So I'll show you the desktop. So here is Jing on the upper right-hand corner. Click ko yan. Tapos meron siyang mga options na hindi ko alam. I just click on it. And here is, tawag mo dito, cross. May cross siya. I-highlight ko lang yung cellphone na to. That. Kita mo? Tapos capture size, blah, blah, blah. I capture a video. Can you see the screen na nag-gray out? Can you see the screen na gray? Tapos, naka-square, naka-rectangle na yung cellphone. Parang webinar jam. So ulitin ko for fun. I go to the top right corner. There is a sun. I click on the cross. I highlight the cell phone. And I select capture a video sa baba. And with the microphone on, it's going to record. So here is the app I made, Virtual Careers. If you click on Contact Us, it's going to go to this page. Go back. I click on video. It will load these videos here. I move. Click back. Click on Facebook. It's going to load your Facebook. If you can check this, kailangan hindi mo magalaw yun. You can drag that up like that. It works. Events, there are two kinds of events, past events and upcoming events. If you click more on the events, you can see more details about the event. I preloaded this in Facebook events. So go through that list there. Essentially, very straightforward. na Facebook, app. Use your finger to scroll. And that's it. Thank you very much. As I told you, I know how to make an app. Amen. Tapos na. So, gonna record. So here is the app I made, Virtual Careers. If you click on Contact Us, it's gonna go to this page. Go back. I click on Video. Here, I move up. Click back. Click on Facebook. It's gonna load your Facebook. If you can check this, kailangan hindi mo magalaw yan. You can drag that up like that. Works. Events. There are two kinds of events: past events and upcoming events. If you click more on the events, you can see more details about the event. I preloaded this in Facebook events. Let's go through that list there. Essentially, very straightforward Facebook, app. Use your finger to scroll. And that's it. Thank you very much. As I told you, I know how to make an app. Amen. So when the Jing is finished in the preview, you just click here to save. And you could say, I know how to make an app. Okay, lagay mo yan sa yun. Or you can also share it like now. Kasi ang Jing kasi, it was intended for sharing. Okay. The capture has been saved. The file path is ready to be pasted. So, ibig sabihin niya ay go here to Facebook and put it in the Instant Virtual Skills group. Let's see kung papayag siyang i-paste ko dito. Ay, sorry. Local paste pala yan. Local na file. So I can click on open the file and it's going to show us the Adobe Flash nga lang to. Yun ang catch. So I gotta leave you to play with Jing for a while. So please play with Jing and record your own app. Okay?